Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I'm starting with the shade conceal chestnut for my base, as my base to prime my lid, and then with the invisible black opal powder setting that. And then I'm using my HUddah Stargirl eyeshadow palette, and I'm starting with the shade Dakar on top of my crease. And then I'm taking my Maybelline concealer to just cut that crease with that tiny brush, because it's very precise and you need to be very careful when you're cutting the crease. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you and welcome. And then I'm using my Bare Mineral eyeshadow palette. And then going in back with Daula eyeshadow color from HUddah. So I'm taking again my JoannaK Smoky Black eyeshadow color. So basically I've used 3 different types of eyeshadow. The one I'm using from Bare Mineral is called Ukra. And then with the HUddah eyeliner, I'm just underlining my eye. Used 3 different eyeshadow palettes because of the colors I wanted, and they're not all in the same eyeshadow. So when I'm done, I'm using the NYX to just cut the crease to make it glow a little bit. It's called Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. It's not for this, but I use it because it's the only one I have for now. Then I'll just quickly go into priming my face with my Maybelline Master Prime. Then using my orange color corrector to cover my dark areas. Went back to my eyes, and then I set the orange corrector with powder. So I'm using my Lancome Taint Foundation. And I had my lashes on off camera, so because I'm still struggling. I struggle with lashes, so it takes me a lot of time. So putting them on camera for now just wastes a lot of time. So after blending the foundation, I'm going with the shade Fawn Elegant Pro Conceal to highlight my face. So under my eye. So after that, I'm using my banana powder to set my face, and then I'm using the shade Fit Me Foundation shade 365 to contour as my cream contour. So I'm slowly blending it on my nose as well, and then I'm just blending in the powder because it left me too white because I let it stay there for long. So I'm taking my Pro Face pressed powder, then I'm going in to just set and make a line over the place I contoured to really bring my face and make it look even slimmer. So I'm taking my contour palette, Black Radiance, and just covering that cream foundation that I applied earlier as my contour, setting it all. Then I'm taking a black pencil eyeliner for my under eye, then going in the shade Dakar for my under eye. So I take the powder just to take off excess fallouts. And then I'll spray to let the powders, I've applied a lot of powder, so let them set while I do my lower lashes. So my blush, I'm using my Chanlanya and mixing it with black radiance blush, raspberry, because the raspberry one is too bright, so I need them to blend and just blend with my eye and not have something too bright on my face also. And then with my butter bronze, I'm just using that to calm the blush down, and then I'm going with the highlight. It on my brow bone, my inner corner, then blending it all with a brush just to avoid the ash line. So with my lips, I'm starting it with my red pencil. Then I'm using HUddah Cosmetic Vamp Lip Color, the red. So this is a full glammed red look, so my lips and my eye need to really match and bring that pop of blush. The color, you can see it there. Then I'm mixing it with Colourpop Star-Crossed Red Lipstick just on top to add that a bit shimmery, because the HUddah one is matte. And then I'm using the powder trick just to avoid any bleeds. You know, lipstick bleeds sometimes, so the powder really helps. So with my Fix and Go spray, I'll just spray my face and just tap it off, and there you go guys, the final look. Thank you so much. I hope you like it.